Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. How you doing? How you been? I know you like, Danielle, where have you been? You guys just pray for me. I am extremely busy these days, but God is good and I'm just gonna keep on pressing on. But needless to say, you guys, in today's video we're gonna do a clean and fall decorate with me for my living room and my front entryway. I will say, you guys, my whole house has been completely decorated. I didn't get the opportunity to film my kitchen decorate with me video nor my front porch, but I do plan on doing a fall home decoration tour. So you guys will be able to see the kitchen, the living room, the entryway, the front porch, and I've already done my master bedroom fall decorate with me. So yeah, you guys, I miss you guys so much. And if you want to just keep up with what I'm doing, I have been posting to my Instagram page on a daily basis. So please follow me on my Instagram at Keeping My Life in Order, you guys, just to keep an update or, have some, just keep an update of what's going on with me and, everything. So without further ado, you guys, we will go ahead and get started with this video. You guys, now it's time to get to decorating, which is my favorite part of doing these types of videos. I just wanted to let you guys know that some of the items I purchased in this video I got from Roses. I purchased from the thrift store. I ordered some items off of Amazon. And I will be kind of like fast forwarding this part a little bit, so I just wanted to share with you guys where I got some of the items from. So without further ado, let's get to decorating. right, you guys, I really love the color choices I had this season for my living room. I love the different shades of purple, and I love the white, and I love the gray, and I have the hints of black here, you guys. I really love the way everything turned out, and I just chose these colors because I thought they were very sophisticated, and I just love the way it actually looks in here. So I hope you guys really like it. I love the way everything just turned out. Also, I just recently purchased this table set, and this one thing I'm learning, it is absolutely beautiful. But if you guys want to purchase any kind of mirror furnishings, be prepared to do a lot of cleaning. But it is absolutely beautiful, and I love it. Now we're going to proceed to cleaning up my entryway, which is not a whole lot, and then we'll get to decorating. Alright, you guys, now that we have everything cleaned up, what I decided to do for my front entryway is just to simply go with the traditional colors. The wreath I'm actually hanging on the door was actually the wreath that I used from my front porch. So I was just like, just kind of like use what you have in order to cut back on costs. And also, it is just absolutely beautiful. And also, I just wanted to just go with the traditional, keep it kind of simple in my front entryway. I really wanted to kind of like put something on the railing, but I could not think of what I could have done, because as soon as you walk into my front entryway, it's like that is the first thing you see is the staircase. And so I wanted to put some on the rail, but I definitely will be decorating that rail for Christmas. But in this area, like I said, I went with the very traditional things, and it's very simple, but I like it. It's very inviting. So you guys, let's finish decorating my front entryway. Alright, you guys, I have completed my front entryway fall decor. A lot of these items that you see, you guys, I got these items from the Dollar Tree and Roses, and I ordered the wreath online. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Look forward for an upcoming home fall tour, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.